Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 947. Bitcoin current price just over 46,000, down about 1.5% today, down about 5% on the week, about dead even over the past month. But we did have a really good month there and then kind of just wiped out all of the gains. So we'll have to see what happens. Of course, up a lot over the past year. So we just got to keep dollar cost averaging, keep going. That's all there is to it. So we're going to buy today's Bitcoin and then get into some interesting news. I actually already purchased today's Bitcoin. I forgot. You can see that under activity, but we'll still do the math in a second here. Bitcoin owned 0.08984,960, very close to 0.09. So that's going to be a cool milestone to hit. But let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,150 in my balance. $4,150 divided by 947 days equals a 4.38x on my investment. So obviously doing very well. What this means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.38. And that's the power of dollar cost averaging, continuing to buy an asset over a long period of time. You know, I think we started buying Bitcoin way back here. Just continued to buy all the way through. So there's the quick Bitcoin update. Let's hop into some other things that I have going on. In today's trading card news, I'm gonna be sending this off to be graded by CGC, sending it with Canto Shark. You can check them out, cantoshark.com. This was a free booster pack that I got in the bottom of this bag at Collectors Con. I don't know what's in them, but I just sold it on eBay for $120. So going to some of these collectibles events and just getting free items and selling them on eBay can be a good play. Finally, I'm gonna take this card. It's a PSA 4 and I'm gonna send this off to be regraded at BGS. I'm gonna use DFW Pokemon to do that. They do a good job with their regrading service. They're based in Dallas. Beckett is also based in Dallas, so they have a good relationship with them. It's a very clean card, so I wouldn't be surprised if this thing got like a BGS 8. But that'll do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.